to flip items on eBay for profit. Firstly, you will need to find products to flip. You need to buy product as cheap as possible and sell that product with a good margin. You can find cheap products in Facebook Marketplace. Go to your Facebook Marketplace and start searching for the product you would like to sell. It could be chains, camera, or anything else. If you really want to sell the product in an expensive margin, then make sure that you modify the product. Let's say you buy a chain. After buying the chain, you can recraft the chain or simply polish it to make it look like it's new. You can buy displays and start painting on them to make it look more expensive. Once you have done that, then set up your profile on eBay. eBay has a lot of features for these products. Go ahead and open an account on eBay. After opening your account, list the product. Take great professional looking photos of the product you are trying to sell. Then set your price. After that, start promoting your product. You can do social media marketing or cold emails. After doing all of this, the sales will start coming. That's all for today. Thank you.